Start with the name of Allah, the Almighty and the Most Merciful. Anyone can become angry, that is easy, but to be angry with the right person, to the right degree, at the right time, for the right purpose and in the right way, that is not easy. When Allah pushes you to the edge of difficulty, trust Him fully, because two things can happen. Either He will catch you when you fall, or He will teach you how to fly. Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it's become your destiny. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. Silence is the best answer to someone who does not value your words. Have patience and wait for the things you want most. Don't chase it. Don't run after it. If Allah wants you to have it, He will give it you. Pain is a sign that you are alive. Problem is a sign that you are strong. Prayer is a sign that you are not alone. Don't trust words, trust on actions. People can tell you anything, but actions tell you everything. Mistake increases your experience, and experience decreases your mistakes. If you learn from your mistakes, then others learn from your success. Sometimes you don't get what you want because you deserve better. Fear has two meanings: forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. Be strong enough to walk away from what's hurting you, and be patient enough to wait for the blessings you deserve.